I'm Mca Edinah Kwamboka, nominated Mca Kisii County. Yesterday we were called to a meeting hosted by the Governor, Kisii County. It was around 6 p.m. when we heard loud screams which caught our attention. So we stood to find out what was happening when we saw a gentleman screaming and running around the stadium. So we wanted to know what was happening because we are leaders and we were concerned. Then we called out to the security agents to come to the rescue of the gentleman. Then the gentleman ran away. He is called Nyataige. Then after we sat down, barely 2 minutes, we heard a loud scream again. That's when we saw one gentleman down by the name of Yugi. That's when I called the governor to come to his rescue because it was his meeting and as the boss to call his people into order so that we can rescue the gentleman. The gentleman was rescued and taken to the governor's office. Then we continued with the meeting. Wait some time. After some time, the boy was brought out. The boy by the name of was brought out and they started beating him. That's when he ran into the middle of the field. One honorable member went to his rescue, brought him into where we were. Then the governor said again he'd be taken back to his office. After some time, I had to consult my seniors to talk to the governor so that the boy will be taken into safety, so that before we leave the stadium, to ensure that the boy was safe. He gave us his 2 bodyguards to escort us to our vehicles so that we leave the stadium. We walked a few meters when the Goons, led by Nyakama, Danka, and Machoka, those are the people I can identify because some were unfamiliar faces, came, ambushed us, beat us. We had to run into the vehicles we didn't even know so that to secure our safety. That's how we got out of the stadium. We recorded our statement yesterday. Then I got attended at the hospital. Here I am. Because they were Kisii County. Governor I think he wanted this stuff share. The stadium. Atendo mukutano tukanywana ngende process chae cyo audit kumanya staff mari ngabara different offices kakona kubarangira amaleta abaikase bamugabiri barenge baringo mulengo mungana no kwaramba mu oserete kasamu ngani ya campaign akabe warning baka apologize tukarama ngana yele akakori meeting ya na staff akabariliza akawatebagende atugane na MCs tugatigara bano kukolipali bako sonkara kwibeta abantu bakukura to chikolike itokanya no muroyo mo kudalfant ne rukura n'abantu kumwitabari akaminjuri agatamo tukagendera no mukutana eta ona nenda ituko abantu bandi bakukura nto kolike itokanya no muracyo boyugo renze abantu bamuzingire tukakomorita bategabana atuma abantu bamukonya bakamuri bakamureka ofisi yayo. After a few minutes naende mundu nando ukakura utamoje tike gati aliaba ishino abandi bacete bakamukonya bakamara kandi bakamara na ofisi ya gavana aliaba yuseba ko gito seniors bacete bakamukwanira akarelease chibodi gati cyaye kikawo munuri ino make sure ure get safe. Atwasubitate igana lichiga abantu uniform abandi n'abantu bece pigipigi ekongaite korpo ya basi na kwa kari hasina baro babatu atageti abamaranje abantu naro timu at least nkora arara n'umuntu kudankan yuko kumachoka yoninya kwamba bandwani tenanya kubara patena ni mmoja kwa kusumba kama na gaiga abatu etega huba tukaswachi walipona hata chiwe mera kwa sababu kamipuresta kana kwa statement tukasinyaka mshimanga yumeta nzemeta kwa kitu Mumyeta magara ngani toro my low abdomen na chest.
Trabajo kwa bolo.
Kebanda tina ino montore nominated MC na tukuri kichukura moto tena tukio ito montore matena twali kichukura.